Find or read reviews that people are talking about Xcity robot vacuum and mop combo. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo. This smart robot vacuum and mop combo is designed to handle everyday messes like pet hair, food crumbs, and dust. Featuring a 260 ml dustbin, 290 ml water tank, and a powerful roller brush, it supports both dry vacuuming and wet mopping. With dual cleaning modes for hard floors and carpets, this robotic cleaner helps you effortlessly maintain spotless floors hands-free. 4 cleaning modes and 4000 PA strong suction. Equipped with 4000 PA of powerful suction, this robot vacuum cleaner removes debris, pet fur, and fine dust from tiles, hardwood floors, and carpets with ease. Choose from 4 cleaning modes: spot, edge, single room, and manual to meet your home's unique needs. Enjoy a deeper, more customized cleaning experience every time. App and remote control for smart operation. Control your app-enabled robot vacuum anytime, anywhere. With the intuitive smart app or included remote, you can set cleaning schedules, change suction levels, switch modes, and control the cleaning direction with just a few taps. Enjoy fully automated cleaning tailored to your routine. Intelligent navigation and slim design. Built with advanced sensors, this robot vacuum with obstacle avoidance detects and dodges furniture, stairs, and white walls to avoid collisions or drops. The ultra-slim 3.15-inch low-profile body allows it to glide under beds, sofas, and tight spaces for thorough, edge-to-edge cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas. Long runtime and self-charging. Powered by a 2600 mAh lithium battery, this robotic vacuum runs up to 130 minutes on quiet mode and covers areas up to 1,292 square feet. It automatically returns to the charging dock when the battery is below 15% or after cleaning. Perfect for apartments, homes with pets, or multi-room layouts. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.